Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to fix TikTok app crashing, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix your TikTok app crashing problem on your phone, guys, we'll be going through 3 or 4 steps. So in order to do that, guys, first open up the settings of your phone, not the TikTok app itself. And on the settings of your phone, scroll down and find the apps option available for us over here. And over here, go to the app management, which is at the top of the screen. And again, on this interface, there's a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it and search for TikTok, and the TikTok will be available over here. Now in order to proceed from over here, you can see the storage usage option at the below of the screen. Tap on that storage usage. Now the processes we can do to fix your TikTok crashing is, first you will be required to clear the cache. Since I had already cleared my cache a little bit ago, there are no cache over here. And after clearing your cache, guys, on this interface, reopen your TikTok. Maybe it stopped to hang or stop to crash. And with that being done, guys, if it's still not stopping to crash, then open the Play Store of your phone and check either your TikTok needs an update or not. So let's go open the Play Store and search for TikTok over here. If there was an update, guys, there would be the update option available for us instead of the open. And if you have the update button, make sure to update your TikTok app, guys. And with that being done, let's go back to the settings. If it's still not stopping to crash, if it's still not fixed, guys, or it's still crashing, then after updating also, then you'll be required to tap on the clear data button over here. With that being done, guys, before you proceed, all of your data on your TikTok app, including your account and your backup, will be cleared from your phone. You will have to relog into your TikTok like a new app. And with that being said, guys, after you have cleared the data and relogged into your TikTok app from over here, your account or your TikTok crashing problem should be fixed. Or if not, try reinstalling and restarting your device. After doing that, the TikTok will be completely new on the phone without any cache and prior memories, and you'll be fresh from the start on your phone. And with that being said, guys, after restarting your device, reinstall your TikTok and relog into your TikTok app, and it should stop to crash, or it should be fixed from to then. And with that being said, guys, this is how to fix your TikTok crashing problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.